My dear students, in this video we're gonna take stat practice on human physiology. Let's get started. The first question, all of the following are function of the liver. You know, the liver is an organ, but it's included in many body systems, a digestive system, excretory system, so it has many functions. So which one is incorrect about the liver? We can read together. Cholesterol production, yes, it's included. To recycle red blood cells, yes. Site of bile production, of course. Site of deamination of amino acids, yes, deamination of amino acids to form urea. That's why urea is formed in the liver and excreted through the kidney. So excreted through the kidney, so the answer of number 1 is E. Excretion of urea, not through the liver, it's through the kidney. Absorption of nutrients occurs in the, which one is true? Absorption of nutrients. As you know, absorption occurs in the final part of the smallest intestine, because the first part or the beginning of the small intestine for completion of digestion, which is the duodenum. After that, the latter part of or the final part of the small intestine for absorption. Which pair is correctly matched? Look at those pairs. You will find the answer is D. See? D. H. pylori and ulcers, because you know H. pylori, it's a bacteria that cause stomach ulcers. Questions 4 to 10. Digestion of starch begins where? E, in the mouth. Very good. Digestion of starch is completed, the final stage in the digestion of carbohydrates or starch. Question number 5, A, in the small intestine. Digestion of proteins begins where? In the stomach. Pepsin enzyme in the stomach. Water absorption in the what's the answer? Question number 7. The answer is D, colon. Very good. In D, what happens? Absorption of water before elimination. Vitamin production, also vitamin production through symbiotic bacteria. Where are these bacteria? Found. These bacteria in question 8D, in the colon. Vitamin production. Organ of digestion. Question 9. Digestion or elimination of undigested food. So 9 is D, colon. Which of those contains villi? Villi in the small intestine for absorption. So the answer of number 10 is A, small intestine for absorption. Gastric enzymes work best in the environment with? Gastric means in the stomach, and the stomach is acidic. So which pH is acidic? pH 3. So the answer of number 11 is A. Intestinal enzymes. Intestinal means in the intestine. So as you know, the enzymes in the intestine work in alkaline medium, but of course not so much alkaline. So the answer of number 12 is D. The lacteal is found in the, what's lacteal? Lacteal, lymphatic vessels in the small intestine. Lymphatic vessels in the small intestine, which helps in the process of absorption. So the answer of number 13 is C. colon. The lacteal is found in the, answer of number 13C, villi. The lacteal is found in the villi and is involved in the absorption of fatty acids. Absorption of fatty acids. The digestive tract consists of what and is under the control of which nervous system? Autonomic nervous system or somatic nervous system? Is it voluntary or involuntary? So the answer of number 14 is A. The digestive tract consists of smooth muscle and is under the control of autonomic nervous system because it's involuntary. Question 15. Which of the following statement is correct about the heart? You will find answer of number 15. Read all the questions. The answer is B. As you know, the left ventricle pumps blood into the entire body. As I told you, the left ventricle contains oxygen-rich blood, so the left ventricle will pump to push the blood out into the entire body. 16. All the following are correct about gas exchange in human except A. Hemoglobin carries oxygen and carbon dioxide in fairly equal amounts. Of course not. The hemoglobin carries oxygen mostly and very few carbon dioxide because most of the carbon dioxide is carried by plasma in the form of carbonic acid. That's why